Hello dear friends, my name is Arkady Zenin. I am the founder of the company Premium Hi-Fi. We are based in Riga and we provide sound for any space. The Aiyima T1 PRO is a tube preamplifier that combines classic tube sound, which I am ready to debate, with modern features such as Bluetooth 5.1 with Aptx ID support. This compact and stylish preamplifier is designed for use with two sources. Which ones? We'll get to that a bit later. The Aiyima T1 PRO has a sturdy metal body with a matte finish, giving it a modern and stylish look. The American-made Pentot 6186 tubes are located on the top of the device, creating a classic tube effect with a blue-black light. This is very pleasant for the interior. The front panel features three potentiometers which quickly feel for adjusting bass, treble and volume, as well as two aviation-style toggles for source selection and tuning the tone control on or off. Yes, the tone block can work in direct mode. The compact and stylish design makes it convenient for placement in various audio systems. To connect to the Aiyima T1 PRO, you can use Bluetooth 5.1 with codecs such as Aptx HD, AAC and others high-quality codecs, ensuring high-quality wireless audio transmission. For more details, see the link in the description. The chipset is QCC3040. The device also has an RCA input for connected, for example, a cassette deck or CD player with a fixed line output. Additionally, there are RCA and 3.5mm jack outputs, allowing it to be connected to the power amplifiers. The 12-volt trigger outputs allow you to control the power off, on or of the connected power amplifier. In the Premium Hi-Fi studio, testing was conducted with the Aiyima A70 power amplifier and Sonos Faber Lumina 2 speakers. The Aiyima T1 PRO stands out among competitors due to its Bluetooth support. This makes it an excellent choice for those who want to enjoy high-quality wireless sound. The ability to replace the NEF5532P operational amplifiers allows users to customize the sound to their liking, which is especially valuable for audiophiles. If desired, the tubes can also be replaced with 6J1, 6J2, JA5654 and other tubes. Let's compare the Aiyima T1 PRO with similar preamplifiers in the price range from $40 to approximately $100. The Dog Audio P1, priced around $40, also supports Bluetooth, but version 5.0 and has an additional USB input for connecting to a computer. This makes it more versatile in terms of connectivity. It also has a headphone output, which can be useful for those who frequently use headphones. However, if the support of the latest Bluetooth codec is important to you, the Aiyima T1 PRO will be best choice. The Aiyima T2, costing about $80, offers similar features including Bluetooth 5.0 and tone control, but it does not have the ability to replace operational amplifiers. This makes it slightly more affordable but less flexible in terms of sound customization. If the ability to finely tune the sound is important to you, the Aiyima T1 PRO will be preferable. The Aiyima A3 PRO, priced around $40, it's cheap, offers support for the same input as the Aiyima T1 PRO, making it a good choice for those looking for an expensive device. Unfortunately, the input controls are located on the back panel, which is not very convenient. However, if convenience and support for the latest Bluetooth Connect are important to you, the Aiyima T1 PRO will be the best option. The FX Audio Tube 03 does not support Bluetooth but offers replaceable tubes too and tone control. This makes it a good choice for those who prefer traditional tube sound and do not need wireless features. If Bluetooth support and modern features are important to you, the Aiyima T1 PRO will be preferable. The Noobsound NSO8A also doesn't support Bluetooth, costs about $50, but has a headphone output and doesn't trigger. This makes it a good choice for those looking for a compact and really affordable device for use with headphones. However, if Bluetooth support and ability to adjust sound with a tone block are important to you, the Aiyima T1 Pro will be the best choice. Let's summarize the difference of the Aiyima T1 Pro. Wireless connectivity. The ability to replace operational amplifiers for fine-tuning the sound. Good price and more features. For example, a trigger to control the power amplifier. Overall, a compact and stylish device that surpasses its peers in functionality and easily integrates into your audio system. Now a bit about the drawbacks. The Aiyima T1 Pro can be sensitive to power quality, which can affect the overall sound quality. This requires the use of a stable and high-quality power supply. Lack of USB input. Unlike some competitors, the Aiyima T1 Pro doesn't have a USB input, which limits the connectivity option to modern devices. The Aiyima T1 Pro doesn't have a headphone output, which can be inconvenient for users who frequently use headphones for listening to music. The 6186 tubes emit a significant amount of heat, requiring good ventilation and can be a problem in small spaces. A bit about the sound with the Aiyima A70 power amplifier. Despite the presence of tubes, I can describe the sound as natural. The preamplifier easily handles any genre of music and, in my opinion, doesn't add anything extra to the sound. This is very good. It plays jazz beautifully and easily. It sounds quick and engaging with electronic music. When watching movies, all dialogues sound clear and clean. Special effects are reproduced engagingly, immersing you in the atmosphere of the movie. The sound quality via Bluetooth is also good as it supports the high-quality Aptx HD codec. That's why I prefer the sound quality from an Android device over my iPhone. It's best to connect a CD player or a good DAC to the Aiyima T1 Pro via RCA to listen to music from an uncompressed source to get the maximum quality. Summarize, and I think it's a good choice. Good build quality, good options for sound tuning. That's all, guys. May the force of the right sound be with you.